Have you ever met someone with smallpox? The answer is likely no, as the disease has been eradicated from the world since 1980. Completely eradicating a disease is no small feat, and we have many people to thank for being responsible. In fact, I bet even your great-grandparents helped in eradicating smallpox from the world. But before we dive any deeper, let's rewind.
During the 7th century, civilizations grew, and so did exploration and trade. While goods, animals, and knowledge spread from old worlds to new worlds, so did infamous disease, most notably smallpox. Characterized by fever, rash, and pustules, the earliest written cases of smallpox date back to China in the 4th century CE. The history of this disease helped to pave the way for Edward Jenner to craft the earliest form of vaccination, when he discovered that milkmaids who had been exposed to cowpox were also immune to smallpox. He tested his theory by taking material from cowpox sores and inoculating it into a child's arm. Ultimately, his theory was successful, and after multiple exposures to smallpox, the child never contracted the disease. Now, let's zoom in.
There are a number of ways your body can repel the virus, bacteria, or any foreign pathogen that enters your body. This is called the antigen. But we're going to focus on the B cells, a type of white blood cell. The job of these cells is to make proteins called antibodies, which are then able to attach to the corresponding antigens and destroy them. The release of antibodies is the job of the plasma B cells, but you also have memory B cells. Memory B cells take action as your body fights the antigens, so your body now recognizes that antigen, such as smallpox. So, if your body receives the smallpox vaccine, then this allows the B cells to fight the weakened version of the smallpox antigen, allowing your immune system to remember the antigen and be more efficient at fighting off smallpox in the future.
If smallpox has been eradicated, then why should we concern ourselves with it? Well, our final step is to zoom back out. Imagine all of the other diseases we struggle with as a society, anything from flu to polio. The vaccines for these diseases, thanks to Edward Jenner's blueprint, can allow us to achieve herd immunity. This means that our communities are vaccinated against this disease, and if someone is not able to receive the vaccine, for example, due to being immunocompromised, they have an even lesser chance of contracting the disease, keeping them and us protected against something like smallpox. Herd immunity and complete disease eradication are not impossible, and as shown through smallpox, with the help of everyone, we can vaccinate ourselves and work to provide vaccines to every community around the world.